Alright, hey everyone, I had to redo this recording just because there were parts that had people's faces and names in it and I didn't want that to be posted online. So for your privacy's sake, and also just that all of your classmates can see this, I am redoing this. Currently I have all names covered. So for those of you who use Teams, I also had the school listed, which is also a no-no, so I got rid of that too. So for those of you that are using Teams online, or I'm not too sure what the app on your phone looks like, but if you're online or if you're on the desktop app, it should look kind of like this. You should have the general, you would have posts, which is where all of our messages go for you. You'd have files if we share anything with you. I've personally just been putting everything into Class Notebook, and then assignments and grades. I'm logged in as me right now, so this is exactly what you see. I'm not going to be showing you the extra details I can do with as the teacher permissions, like being able to see everyone's notebook. So what I'm currently showing is what you will get. So for submitting assignments, obviously if you go to the assignments page, it has the assignments there, but generally what we want to do is post them into your notebook so I can look at them there. So if you click Class Notebook, and it's going to take a little bit moment to load. When you first come in, it has the welcome screen. This is where, as the teacher mode, I will put all of the documents for the notes. So I take pictures, well I shouldn't say take pictures, but I save all the notes in JPEGs and then I upload them here. So if somebody misses class, or if you even want like a reference to the master's notes, you can go back to them and have them available. So all of that is within the welcome section, and then I'm actually show that real quick. So if you click the little arrow to the left, you get your notebook. So it has the welcome, which is where the teacher, I as a teacher will post things. There's the first page, which has the initial survey to ask who has access to what, and then kind of as a funny little meme. So something I wanted to do when we were looking at phase shifts back in the last unit. I'm probably dating myself, but I like to think of phase shifts as PS for Patrick Star. So you take your trig function and you just push it somewhere else. That's all you do. You take your original one and just move it left or right. So if you ever get stuck with graphing, again, you can always have a fun meme to reference. As far as, hopefully this video doesn't get taken down for me using a meme in it. That'd be horrible. As far as everything else goes, so like I have video 1 has some of the notes, video 2 has its notes here. I'm going to keep posting them as video 1, video 2, video 3, etc., etc. Collaboration space is where we can all kind of post things together, so I would have the ability to go and type things, I believe. I should. Yep, I could just start typing stuff, and then everyone else could also start typing stuff, kind of like a Google Doc. And then content libraries, any documents that get posted as like notes or other alternative notes, I should say. And then the last one is where you will actually be posting your stuff. So you'll have your name here. I'm currently in my guest account. So if I click on this, I'll have 4 sections. I have class notes, I'll have handouts, I'll have homework, I'll have quizzes. Realistically, you want to be doing anything I give you either under the homework or under the quizzes, or if you just put them all in one area, awesome, that works better. So like if you do everything in class notes and then label things nicely for me, so maybe I'll have, this is survey results, and I said, if I remember correctly, I said yes, 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 I said picture, and I said C. So then I have my survey results. Oops. I can now add a new page, and this is what we'll hopefully be doing for our current assignment. So I'll type this as like assignment. I'm gonna name the assignment identities. And then you have a few options. So if you were one of the people who said they wanted to do things as taking a picture with your phone, You can either do it from a file if you have it from a file. If you're on your phone itself, you can do from camera. Mine is currently from a file. I'm going to go browse my file super quick. So here's my video 3. I'm going to input it. Then it'll just post the picture. If you want to help me out, if you right click it, you can do grow. And I think also under picture you can change the percentages, but let's just, if you match them correctly, so if we did 15 and 15, this would stay as a square. I could do lock aspect ratio to the same thing. This would actually keep the ratio of the original picture. So if it like goes a 1:3, you would scale it using that 1:3 origin. Okay, now if you're one of the people who said you want to type things out instead of using pictures, that's also an option to just do it right into here. You can either physically type things, though that may not be desirable. So you can like say sine of x plus cosine of 2x and yada yada yada. Or you can do what I've been doing with my videos, though probably not as neatly unless you also have a drawing tablet. Under draw, you can select what you want to be using. A pen is obviously the best for this. And then you could start. Takes a lot of practice. Sine of x plus cosine. Obviously, if you're doing this on your phone, it's going to be a lot easier since it has touchscreen. Or if you're on a tablet that also has touchscreen, you can erase things. You can make a selection. If I write, there's some options you can do with this, though I haven't played around enough with Teams to know how to use it yet. Oh no, because that's off, right? We have the option off to be able to do that. Okay, so that's how you could draw it in if you're using on tablet or phone. It's going to be a heck of a lot easier than how it was for me to use my mouse. If I were to then go, say, do this with my actual drawing tablet, which is unplugged right now, it'd be the same ease for me as I was having in the videos. That's pretty much it for reviewing how to use Teams and submitting the assignments. The assignment is going to be posted up pretty soon. Really, honestly, before this video even gets posted. So it's going to be due for Monday at the end of the day. Again, there's not going to be a formal video for Monday. I'm going to use Monday to post solutions for the last partner quiz we took. That one will be a private video. In the event, I could make it not private, but that one will just be discussing how to solve each of the problems from the partner quiz for the previous unit. And I'm also going to spend Monday having office hours online, so if you want to send me a message to set up a time to meet Monday to talk about the assignment, feel free to. I'm pretty much going to be available all day. We're all pretty much available all day right now. There's not really anywhere to go. So take care, and hopefully this video helped.